Hello, friends. The story link before is called The Big Orange Splot. Some questions that I'd like you to answer about the Big Orange Splot video are, what did Mr. Plumbean do that gave him energy to live his dreams and be 100% accountable for his happiness? Question 2. When Mr. Plumbean decided to live his dreams, how did he also help those around him to live their dreams? Question 3. What have you done that gives you energy to live your dreams and be 100% accountable for your happiness? Question 4. How does focusing your energy allow others around you to focus on their dreams? In case you might have forgotten and you want to go back and look at the video, there is the link below. I can't wait to hear your answers and what you are focusing your energy on. Have a great day.